Bonjour. Today we will be discussing the partitive articles, that is, les articles partitifs in French. Okay, so partitive articles are used to express an indefinite quantity. That is, partitive articles are placed before uncountable nouns. The nouns which we cannot count, like which cannot be counted, like sugar, salt, water, oil. So the nouns for the uncountable nouns we use the partitive articles. Then it the equivalent of it in English is some, any, much, all these quantities which are uncountable. Then let us look at the formation of partitive articles. That how do we form partitive articles? Partitive article is formed by the preposition the and the addition of article, definite articles to it. Then let us look at the four cases of it based on gender and number, categorized on gender and number. First one, the plus la, that is due, used for masculine singular nouns. Second, the plus la, which becomes the la, used for feminine singular nouns. Then the plus le, which becomes they, used for plural nouns. Then the plus l apostrophe, which becomes the l apostrophe, used for vowels, placed before vowels. Then let us look at the examples. The first one, je bois du café. What does it mean? I drink some coffee. Coffee is masculine, therefore we have placed du café. Second one, elle mange de la salade. She eats some salad. Then salad here is feminine singular, therefore we have placed the la. Then third one, il prend de l'eau. He takes some water. Water is starting with a vowel e, so we have placed the l apostrophe. Then last one, nous avons acheté des légumes. We bought some vegetables. Vegetables here is plural, therefore we have used they. Then let us look at the some cases of partitive articles. The first one is in the negative form. What happens when partitive article comes in the negation? That is, let's look at the first one. I eat bread. I eat some bread. It can be written as je mange du pain. But when we negate it, we say I don't eat bread. At that time, the partitive article, that is the, du, the, la, they, it changes into the. It doesn't remain the same in negation. In negation, it always changes into the. No accordance, only the, de, preposition. That is, je ne mange pas de pain. I do not eat any bread, or simply, I do not eat bread. Then second one, she drinks water. Elle boit de l'eau. She drinks some water. Elle boit de l'eau. When we negate it, we put it like elle ne boit pas d'eau. Instead of the l'eau, even before vowel, we are placing only the, that is preposition the, that is she doesn't drink water, or she doesn't drink any water, that is. Then with expressions of quantity, like the expressions which refers to quantities, which shows quantities like lot of, too much of, enough of, then a kilo of, all that quantities. Before quantities also we never accord, we only put the preposition the. That is, a lot of fruit, it is represented by beaucoup de fruits, and not beaucoup de fruits, not des, because fruit is plural, no, only beaucoup de fruits. Then little money, that is un peu d'argent, not de l'argent, because vowel is there, no, not that, only preposition the. Then too much work, trop de travail, not du travail, because travail is masculine, only preposition the, trop de travail. Then assez d'eau, that is enough water, only the preposition the before the noun. Un kilo de pomme. Pomme is again plural here, still we are not putting des, but we are writing de, un kilo de pomme, because it's an expression. Then In short, we can understand that the partitive articles accord in the four forms when referring to the uncountable nouns, and remains the preposition the when referring to a negation, negative sentence, or a quantity, or an expression, or a expression of quantity. I hope the lesson is clear. Now let us move to the exercises. Take 2 minutes time, pause the video, look at the questions and try to solve on your own. Okay, now let us look at the answers. The first one. Je bois dash café le matin. I drink some coffee in the morning. Café is masculine, therefore je bois du café. Second one. Elle mange dash salad à midi. She eats some salad in the afternoon. Salad is feminine, therefore de la salade. Elle mange de la salade à midi. Third one. Nous achetons dash au minéral. We bought some mineral water. Mineral water here is vowel, therefore the L apostrophe. That is, nous achetons de l'eau minérale. We bought some mineral water. Fourth one. Ils veulent dash biscuit. They want some biscuits. Biscuit plural, therefore des. They. Ils veulent des biscuits. They want some biscuits. Next. Tu ne prends pas dash sucre dans ton thé. Here we are referring to a negative sentence, therefore we will not accord sucre. Sucre is masculine. We will not write du sucre, but we will only write the sucre. That is, tu ne prends pas de sucre dans ton thé. That is, you do not take sugar in your tea. Then, il y a beaucoup de pommes au marché. Again, pomme is plural. Still we will write de, preposition de. We will not accord because it is an expression, and we'll only write beaucoup de pommes and not they, only preposition the. That is, there are a lot of apples in the market. Then, on prépare dash soup pour le dîner. We prepare some soup for the dinner. Soup is again feminine, so we'll write on prépare de la soupe pour le dîner. We prepare soup for the dinner, or we prepare some soup for the dinner. Then again, next one. Vous n'avez pas dash argent pour ce voyage. Again, a negative sentence, so just place your preposition the, no accordance. Then, vous n'avez pas d'argent pour ce voyage. You do not have money for this trip. Next one. Chaque matin, je mange dash confiture avec mon pain. Every morning, I eat some jam with my bread. That is, de la confiture. Confiture is jam and it is feminine, therefore de la. Chaque matin, je mange de la confiture avec mon pain. Pain is bread. Then, je prends dash lait au petit déjeuner. I take milk in the breakfast. I have some milk in the breakfast. Lait is masculine, therefore du. Je prends du lait au petit déjeuner. Last. Est-ce que tu mets dash huile d'olive dans ta salade? Est-ce que tu mets dash huile d'olive dans ta salade? Huile is oil, olive oil, huile d'olive, olive oil, and it is H. It is beginning with H, which is treated as vowel in French. H follows all the rules of vowel in French. Therefore, we will put the L apostrophe, the lai. That is the case of vowels. Est-ce que tu mets de l'huile d'olive dans ta salade? Do you put some olive oil in your salad? So that was the lesson for partitive articles. Hope you like it. Hope you